Okay, kailangan natin pag-usapan to. Kailangan magmula ka sa free to tiered subscription and freelance offer. So AI offers are like rechargeable batteries, tiered power for every client. So malalaman nyo, kung gusto mo mag-offer sa client mo ng mga iba't ibang offer, pwede siya magmula sa libre muna tapos magiging subscription based. Kung naka-subscribe din sa Netflix, meron I think subscription yon, pero pang tools like Grammarly, Canva, meron free subscription at meron din paid subscription. So I'm going to discuss it in an analogy of a 302 AH Zenergy Life for battery. So if you have a battery, a lithium battery, nakakita na kayo nung i-explain ko siya in that way. So battery cells equals service tier. Yung unang cell ng battery is entry level, like basic Canva edits, captions, then yung parang pwede may offer. Yung second cells, mid-tier, mas malaki na yung babayaran ng client at bababayad sa'yo. Would be AI workflow setup, automation, demos, etc. Yung core cells, because yun yung full power. Kapag apat na to, full power na yan. Complete SOP systems plus retainer. Client choose how much charge they need. Hindi masyado kailangan ng kuryente sa business nila, hindi ito lang muna. Pero kung kailangan ng level 2, dalawa, hindi ito. Pero kung kailangan nila lahat, powerful, nabigyan mo sila ng mas malaking offer na mas malaki din yung bayad, of course. Kasi nga, makes sense naman. Rechargeable value equals long-term retainers. One use AA, so double battery project, double AA battery. So one project off, ubos agad. Pero yung rechargeable cell, pwede yung monthly subscription, pwede sila pag-provide every month. Client keeps paying as long as the service stays useful. Easy swap, upsell. So pwede kang mag-start small, then i-upgrade mo sila sa mas mahal na offer. So ganyan yung behavior ng 302 AH Energy na lithium battery galing sa Solar Pass 1. So why tiered offer scales better? No burnout pricing. So low tier covers the entry buyers. High tier serves big clients. Client stays longer kasi may natural na upgrade path. Pwede may upsell. And for example, in the, anong sabihin na upsell? Parang pinapamahal mo nga yung offer mo. Sa Pilipinas, dahil nag-offer ka ng Canva Edge na 5,000 pesos, pwede siya maging 15,000 pesos naman sa automation, at pwede mo pa i-upsell sa 40,000 monthly retain. Call to action dito, if you want to build your own battery pack of freelance software that keeps recording income, could be subscription and join Firelancer School, limited time, limited members, etc. So, yun, as soon as possible.